Good morning, the Modern Style Salon. This is Chloe speaking. How can I help?
Hi, Chloe. I'd like to make an appointment for a haircut, please.
Of course. Are you looking for a specific stylist today?
Yes, I usually see Maria. Is she available sometime next week?
Let me just check Maria's schedule for you. Sound of typing. She has an opening on Tuesday afternoon or on Thursday morning.
Tuesday afternoon would be perfect. What times are available?
She has a 2:30 p.m. slot or a 4 p.m. slot.
Could I take the 2:30 p.m. appointment, please?
Certainly. So that's a haircut with Maria on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. Can I get your name, please?
Yes, it's Anne Forrester.
Okay, Miss Forrester, we have you all booked in. We'll send you a reminder text the day before your appointment. That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Chloe. You're very welcome. We'll see you on Tuesday. Goodbye.
1 down, 2 to go. That was quick and easy.
It was. I feel so productive already. Okay, your turn. You've been meaning to book your annual doctor's checkup for ages.
I know. I keep putting it off. But you're right. I need to get it done. I'll call Dr. Evans' office now. Doctor's receptionist.
Good afternoon, Dr. Evans' office. How may I direct your call?
Hello, I'd like to schedule an appointment for an annual physical, please.
Of course. Are you an existing patient?
Yes, I am. My name is David Chen.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. Can you please confirm your date of birth for me?
Yes, it's May 12th, 1990.
Perfect. I have your file here. Now, Dr. Evans is quite busy. His next available opening for a physical is in about 3 weeks, on October 18th.
Oh, wow. Does he have anything sooner, perhaps in the morning?
Let me double check. I do have a cancellation that just came in for October 12th at 9:15 a.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, that would be perfect. I'll take it.
Okay, I've booked you in. So that's an appointment with Dr. Evans on October 12th at 9:15 a.m. Please remember to fast for 12 hours before your appointment for the blood test.
Right, I remember. Thank you for the reminder.
We'll send you a confirmation email shortly. Thank you, Mr. Chen.
Thank you. Goodbye. Anne hangs up.
A cancellation! That was lucky. You got in much earlier.
I know. Okay, last one on the list, and it's the one I'm dreading the most.
The car.
The car. That strange rattling noise is getting worse. I have to take it to the mechanic.
Better to be safe than sorry. Just give them a call.
Mechanic.
Frank's Auto Repair. This is Frank.
Hi, Frank. My name is David. I've been having some trouble with my car, and I'd like to book a time to have it looked at.
Okay, David. What kind of car is it, and what seems to be the problem?
It's a Honda Civic. There's a rattling noise coming from the front right side, especially when I go over bumps.
Right. Could be a suspension issue. We can definitely take a look. When would you like to bring it in?
What's your availability like next week?
I could have you drop it off first thing on Wednesday morning around 8 a.m.
Wednesday at 8 a.m. works for me. Do you have any idea how long you'll need to keep the car?
It's hard to say until we diagnose the problem. I'll give it an initial inspection, and then I'll call you with an estimate before I do any work. It will likely be for most of the day.
That's fine. I can arrange to work from home.
Sounds good. So I'll see you on Wednesday at 8 a.m. Can I get your last name and phone number?
Yes, it's Chen, and my number is...
Got it. See you Wednesday, David.
Thank you, Frank. David hangs up.
And that's the trifecta. Haircut, doctor, and mechanic, all booked. Look at us being so responsible.
Our life admin morning was a huge success. Now our calendar is full, but at least we're organized.
I feel so much better. Now we can enjoy the rest of our weekend without having these things hanging over our heads.
I completely agree. Let's go do something fun.